Welcome to a short video on how to ask for assistance while riding on the MBTA transit system. This video was brought to you by the MBTA's Travel Instruction Program. In this video, a travel trainer explains how to ask for assistance while riding on an MBTA bus or subway.
Today, I'm going to go over ways to ask for assistance while riding the MBTA buses and trains.
When traveling on an MBTA bus, notify the bus operator if you need help. They're required to honor all reasonable requests for assistance. For example, they can reposition the bus closer to the curb, lower the bus, and deploy the ramp when boarding and exiting the bus. They can also help you find a seat, wait for you to be seated before the bus departs a stop, and show you how to pay your fare. MBTA employees or transit ambassadors are also available at most subway stations to assist you with reasonable accommodations. They can oftentimes be found in the station lobby, by the fare gates, and fare vending machines. If you do not see any of these employees around, look for a call box to ask for assistance.
Transit ambassadors wear bright red polo shirts, sweaters, or jackets with T logos. Every transit ambassador is equipped with a tablet to answer commonly asked questions, provide directions, assist with trip planning, and obtain real-time information via T-alerts to better assist customers during delays and service disruptions. Transit ambassadors are also trained to assist customers with disabilities. Upon request, they can even help customers locate station platforms or exits, board and exit trains, or use fare vending machines.
The following people may also help during your route. MBTA employees that wear a light blue long sleeve or short sleeve shirt and a visibility vest with a T logo. You can also get help during your route from a transit police officer. You may also call 617-222-3200, or for TTY access, call 617-222-5146. Contact customer support online at www.mbta.com/customer support, or call transit police to report any suspicious activity at 617-222-1212, or for TTY access, call 617-222-1200.
For more information, please visit www.mbta.com/accessibility.